So hey guys, this here's my 2000 Ford Expedition 5.4 liter two-wheel drive. It does have the rear airbag suspension on it factory, and I wish I would have caught this thing pumping up, but it was just too hectic trying to get this concrete loaded on here with the forklift driver and everything. But she's sitting pretty darn level, sitting pretty good for having that much concrete on the back of her. You can see all those concrete bags are in front of the front axle. Unfortunately, that's as far as the tow truck driver could get him shoved back. He didn't know how to operate or not a tow, what did I say, tow truck? Forklift. I don't know what I said. Anyways, the forklift driver, he couldn't figure out how to slide it left and right. But anyway, all that weight's in front of the axle, and we've got 45 bags, 80 pounds each. So figure that out. It's a lot of weight. And she pumped herself up pretty good there. Now, I wouldn't recommend towing like this a long ways, but I've just got to go 2 miles up the road, 3 miles up the road, so I'll be fine. But these factory airbags, boy, they come in handy for sure. Definitely come in handy to help, level your load right out. All right, guys, thanks for watching.